Welcome to Bulgaria, a land of timeless beauty, where history whispers through ancient ruins, nature paints stunning landscapes, and vibrant cities pulse with life. From the golden beaches of the Black Sea to the snow-capped peaks of the Rila Mountains, every corner is a postcard waiting to be discovered. Join us as we journey through Bulgaria's most breathtaking destinations. Buckle up, an adventure of a lifetime awaits. We begin in Sofia, the vibrant capital and cultural hub of Bulgaria. With a history spanning over 7,000 years, Sofia is one of Europe's oldest cities. The iconic Alexander Nevsky Cathedral dominates the skyline, with its golden domes shimmering under the sun. Stroll down Vitosha Boulevard, filled with charming cafes and designer stores. And don't miss the ancient Serdica ruins beneath the city streets. Did you know Sofia was named after Saint Sophia, the goddess of wisdom? It's a city where every corner whispers stories from centuries past. Nestled in the heart of the Rila Mountains, the Rila Monastery stands as a masterpiece of Bulgarian cultural heritage. Built in the 10th century by Saint Ivan of Rila, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is famous for its vibrant frescoes, intricate wood carvings, and peaceful courtyards. The monastery isn't just a religious site, it's a spiritual sanctuary where history and faith merge seamlessly. Fun fact: the monastery has survived fires, invasions, and wars, remaining a symbol of resilience and hope for Bulgarians. Imagine standing atop a mountain, looking down at 7 glistening lakes, each more beautiful than the last. The 7 Rila lakes are Bulgaria's crown jewels. With names like the Tear, the Eye, and the Kidney, these lakes are steeped in legend. Local folklore says these lakes are tears of a giant mourning his lost love. Hiking these trails is like walking through a canvas painted by nature herself. A visit here isn't just a hike. It's an emotional journey into the heart of Bulgaria's wilderness. Plovdiv isn't just Bulgaria's second-largest city. It's a living museum. As Europe's oldest continuously inhabited city, Plovdiv has been shaped by Thracians, Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans. The ancient Roman theater still hosts performances today, echoing voices from millennia past. Walk through the cobblestone streets of the Old Town, marvel at the vibrant street art in the Kapana Creative District, and feel the energy of a city where every stone has a story. Fun fact: Plovdiv was crowned the European Capital of Culture in 2019. Perched high above the Asen River, Asen's fortress looks like a scene from a medieval epic. Dating back to the 12th century, this fortress has witnessed battles, triumphs, and legends. The Church of the Holy Mother of God, still standing proudly within the ruins, features Byzantine architecture and ancient frescoes. From the top, the sweeping views of the valley below are nothing short of breathtaking. It's not just a fortress, it's a window into Bulgaria's rich medieval past. Welcome to Pamporovo, Bulgaria's beloved winter wonderland. Known for its sunny ski slopes and family-friendly vibe, Pamporovo is a top destination for winter sports enthusiasts. Whether you're carving down the slopes, sipping hot chocolate by the fire, or simply soaking in the snowy landscapes, Pamporovo promises winter magic. Fun fact, Pamporovo boasts over 270 sunny days a year, making it one of Europe's sunniest ski resorts. Welcome to Veliko Tarnovo, Bulgaria's medieval capital and a city steeped in royal grandeur. Perched atop hills and surrounded by the winding Yantra River, Zaravet's fortress dominates the skyline. Walking through its stone gates feels like stepping back in time, where kings once ruled and battles were fought. Don't miss the light and sound show at night. It brings history to life with spectacular visuals. Known as the City of Tsars, Veliko Tarnovo is a living canvas of Bulgaria's glorious past. Lovech, a charming city set along the Asen River, is most famous for its iconic covered bridge. Designed by the legendary architect Kolio Fichetto, this bridge is not just a passageway, it's a symbol of ingenuity. Wander through its wooden arches, lined with small shops selling local crafts and treats. Above the city, the Hisaria fortress stands as a silent guardian, offering panoramic views of the valley below. Lovech is a perfect blend of tradition, history, and charm. Welcome to Kazanlak, the heart of Bulgaria's famous Valley of Roses. Every year, this region produces some of the world's finest rose oil, earning it a global reputation. The Rose Festival, held annually, paints the town in shades of pink and fills the air with intoxicating fragrances. But Kazanlak isn't just about flowers. It's home to the Thracian Tomb, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with intricate frescoes dating back to the 4th century BCE. A visit here is a feast for the senses and the soul. High in the Balkan Mountains lies the historic Shipka Pass, a symbol of courage and freedom. The Shipka Monument stands tall, honoring those who fought for Bulgaria's liberation during the Russo-Turkish War. The climb to the top is steep, but the breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains make every step worthwhile. Standing here, with the wind in your hair and history beneath your feet, is an unforgettable experience. On the windswept peaks of the Balkan Mountains stands one of Bulgaria's most mysterious landmarks, the Buzludzha Monument. Built during the communist era, its UFO-like structure now stands abandoned, yet captivating. The faded murals inside tell tales of Bulgaria's socialist past. Whether seen as an architectural marvel or a relic of history, Buzludzha is a hauntingly beautiful sight that sparks curiosity and imagination. Stara Zagora, one of Bulgaria's oldest cities, is a fascinating blend of ancient history and modern vibrancy. The city is home to well-preserved Roman streets, ancient baths, and mosaics that date back to the Roman Empire. Yet, it's also a bustling urban center with lively cafes, parks, and cultural events. Fun fact, Stara Zagora was rebuilt entirely after being destroyed during the Russo-Turkish War, symbolizing resilience and renewal. Welcome to Nessebar, often called the Pearl of the Black Sea. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of history, with over 40 churches, ancient ruins, and picturesque cobbled streets. Surrounded by the sparkling waters of the Black Sea, Nessebar is a place where every sunset feels like a painting. Whether you're exploring the ancient city walls or savoring fresh seafood by the shore, Nessebar is pure magic. Sozopol, one of Bulgaria's oldest towns, sits gracefully on the shores of the Black Sea. Known for its charming old town with cobbled streets, wooden houses, and archaeological treasures, Sozopol is a harmonious blend of history and coastal beauty. Visit the ancient ruins of Apollonia and bask in the golden sands of the beaches nearby. Every corner of Sozopol whispers stories of ancient civilizations, sun-soaked summers, and timeless romance. Pomorie, nestled on a narrow peninsula, is a place of both natural beauty and healing wonders. Known for its therapeutic mud baths and salt lakes, this town has been a wellness destination for centuries. The ancient Thracians once harvested salt here, and today, visitors still come seeking its curative properties. With its tranquil beaches and calming atmosphere, Pomorie offers a perfect escape for both body and soul. Burgas, a lively city on the Black Sea coast, is where urban energy meets coastal charm. Its iconic Sea Garden Park stretches along the shore, offering panoramic views and serene walking paths. Known for hosting vibrant music and arts festivals, Burgas comes alive in summer with sounds, colors, and celebration. Whether exploring the city streets or relaxing by the sea, Burgas is a vibrant stop on Bulgaria's coastal map. The Belogradchik rocks stand as one of Bulgaria's most awe-inspiring natural wonders. These towering sandstone formations have been shaped by time, wind, and rain into bizarre and breathtaking shapes. At their heart lies the ancient Belogradchik fortress, seamlessly blending into the rocky landscape. Standing atop these rocks, overlooking endless forests and rolling hills, feels like gazing upon a forgotten world. Vratsa, surrounded by the mighty Balkan Mountains, is a playground for adventurers. Known for its stunning cliffs and the spectacular Ledenica Cave, Vratsa offers endless opportunities for hiking, rock climbing, and exploration. The cave itself feels like a hidden cathedral of nature, with glistening stalactites and underground chambers. Vratsa is not just a city, it's an adrenaline-fueled adventure waiting to be discovered. From the serene beauty of Rila Lakes to the bustling streets of Sofia, Bulgaria is a land of wonders waiting to be explored. Each place we visited tells a unique story, a story of nature, history, and culture woven together in harmony. But this journey doesn't end here. Which country should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments and let us know where you're watching from. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking adventures from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming.